What if my car is brand new and totaled? Imagine driving off the lot in your brand new car, only to have it declared a total loss shortly after. What happens next? When your new car is totaled, the insurance company will step in to help. They will typically pay you the actual cash value of the vehicle just before the loss occurred. This value is not the same as what you paid for the car. Instead, it takes into account depreciation, which means the payout may be lower than expected. A car is considered totaled when the cost to repair it exceeds its value or if it cannot be safely repaired. For a brand new car, the insurance adjuster will look at several factors. They will assess the car's mileage, condition, and current market value. This evaluation helps determine if the car is indeed a total loss. If you have full coverage insurance, you are in a good position. Your policy will cover the payout for the totaled vehicle. The insurance company will either send the settlement amount directly to you or to your lender if the car is financed. Remember, the payout will be the actual cash value minus any deductible you owe. You might think that since your car is new, the payout would be enough to buy another new one. However, the actual cash value might not cover the full cost of a new vehicle. This is especially true if the car has depreciated quickly or if market prices have changed since your purchase. Some insurance policies offer new car replacement coverage. This optional add-on would pay to replace your totaled car with a similar new model. Once you receive the settlement, you can use that money to buy a replacement vehicle. If you feel that the insurance company's valuation is too low, you have the right to negotiate. You can provide evidence to support your claim, such as recent sales of similar vehicles or independent appraisals. To summarize, if your brand new car is totaled, the insurance company will declare it a total loss based on repair costs versus the car's value. You will receive a payout based on the actual cash value, minus your deductible. This payout may go to you or your lender if the car is financed. The settlement might not cover the full price you paid for the new car unless you have new car replacement coverage. And if you disagree with the valuation, you can negotiate for a better settlement. Understanding this process can help you navigate the situation more effectively and ensure you get the best outcome possible.